To replace a nozzle, find the center bolts on the back of the launch pad as shown. Use a 7/16 wrench to remove the bolt. Next, cut the tubing. The tubing cutters you see are not mandatory. You could use scissors or a pocket knife. You want the cut as straight and clean as you can get it. Next, push the tubing onto the barb extending from the new nozzle. You'll notice that the replacement nozzle has 2 holes in it. That's because some of the earlier launch pads had an offset hole. We wanted to accommodate anyone who may have this offset design. Place the bolt through the bottom of the launch pad and push the nozzle back under the slide plate. Secure them both by using the hole in the bottom of the nozzle that most matches your original nozzle's design. Make sure the nozzle is properly centered. You want even spacing between all sides of the nozzle and the slide plate. This new nozzle has been precision machined so that any standard plastic bottle designed to hold a carbonated beverage can be launched anywhere from 10 psi to 75 psi. Rockets will load easily and will hold very low or very high pressure, making both indoor air launches and outdoor launches easy and reliable.